couple of these together just so you're on the right track here. And first of all, notice in the first row here, it tells you our rate of discount and list price. And then it has this NA under single equivalent rate of discount. And basically it says it's not available because single equivalent rate only works on series like on these questions here. So just to show you that. So the first question there is just asking what's the net price. The best formula that I would use, I'll just write it down here, is the net price equals the NPF times the list. So all I need to do is figure out the NPF of this right over here, and that is 0.65. And I multiply 0.65 to 115, and I'm left with $74.75. Okay, same idea with the second one, right? I just need to find the NPFs of these discount rates. So this one's 0.75, and this one here is 0.9. And if I multiply 0.75 and 0.9, I multiply that to this list price right here, I should get $151.88. So they're asking now for the single equivalent rate of discount, and there's two different ways to figure that out. If you look at your formula sheet, it basically says you can find the amount of discount and divide it by the list price, or you can go 1 minus the NPF. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, you'll get the same answer. 1 minus the NPF is pretty easy, I think. Just 1, take away, and we already have the NPFs over there, 0.75 times 0.9. Just make sure you're doing that first. And when you do that, you should be left with 32.5%. So let's go down to this bottom one, second from the bottom here, because as we go along, we see that we're missing this list price right here. We don't know what the list price is. So look at our formula down here. It says the net equals the NPF times the list. And according to this second last column, you know, we've got the NPF, right? We know the NPF, it's 0.8. The NPF of 20% is 0.8 or 80%. So we got that. We don't have the list price, but they do give us the net price. So I know 2 out of the 3. I should be able to use algebra here. If I divide this side by the NPF and divide this side by the NPF, that's NPF divided by NPF. That's 1. That's just 1 times the list. So that's the list equals the net divided by the NPF. So in this case, we would go 380 and divide that by 0.8. And that should give us 475. And your answer should make sense, right? The list price should be bigger than the net price. So that's how you figure that piece out. And I'll let you try the rest of that assignment on your own.